Greetings. So in today's class, we will be looking at formatting text and creating macros. Now, as an exercise for today, let us try to create a document with a title and a heading. And you can see the first line is backslash document class. Usually the class will be article. Along with that, we have defined further some properties like the paper is A4 size and the font is 11 points. Then we define additional properties like title is example 2, backslash author, you can feed your name. And the next line is slash title date. So here the date is fed to some arbitrary date that was obtained from the textbook. But rather, you can change whatever properties you are defining inside the curly braces. Whatever you want, you can put it over there. So this particular block constitutes the preamble. We will speak about preamble just a bit later in this presentation. Then we will start our environment. Backslash begin document and we add backslash make title. So this makes sure whatever we are feeding over here gets printed in the document. So between begin document and end document is what will be printed in the PDF. So you need to include the title properties so that it will be printed. And I'm adding a new keyword section which says what is this, and then it is followed by a text. This is our second document and it contains a title and a section with text slash end document. So this is the piece of code that we will execute now. And I'm sorry for the smaller size, but the idea here is you can open the TechMaker, create a new project, and then you can just copy paste the code that I have given to you. You can edit the date if you want. You can edit the author name. You can edit the title, things like that. And then if you execute the piece of code, you have to first run it and then you have to print the PDF. While you print it, you will get a nicely formatted heading, the title, along with your name, the date, your section 1, which is what is this, followed by the text. This is our second document and it contains a title, which is this, and a section with some text. So what we need to note over here is we did not choose the font size of the title or heading, and neither did we make something bold or centered. You can see, right? We have just defined some macro and we have let LaTeX decide how it has to format. So that's where the document class comes into action. Such a formatting is done by the LaTeX, but nevertheless, you are free to tell LaTeX how it actually should look. Now let us go further and explore the document structure. This exercise will get you strong with the fundamentals of LaTeX. The first one is class. So class is the fundamental template upon which a LaTeX document is built. Some examples of classes includes books, journal articles, letters, presentations, posters, etc. In our example, we have chosen the article class. And now we will explore it line by line. The first line of the command is slash document class. So this particular command, the structure of the command needs to be studied here. Any keyword that begins with a backslash is called a command or a macro. So you have backslash document class. So the keyword here is document class and the backslash is an affix to it. So together it is called as a command or a macro. Other such commands includes \article, \author, and \date. So these commands takes in the arguments which are the properties, like \article, you will write the title of the article, \author, and you will write the name of the author, \date, and you will write today's date. So every command takes in some property along with it. For example, in document class, we selected article as the document class. Now, I spoke about the concept of preamble, which is the first part of the document, choosing the class and specifying the properties of the document, and in general, make a document-wide definition. So these commands constitutes the preamble, and preamble is never going to be printed. The next part is \begin document, which marks the end of the preamble and the start of the actual document, and \end document, which marks the end of the document, and everything that follows \end document will not be printed in LaTeX. It will be ignored by LaTeX. So the content that is between \begin document and \end document, this content is called as environment. And whatever you are going to type inside the environment, it will be printed. And note that we included a \make title so that the title and its properties are getting printed in the document. You can see that it was printed in a very nice format. And finally, we studied a new command called \section, which generates a heading with a big bold text, which is bigger than the normal text. So the LaTeX document class article takes this work, so it will automatically set the formatting for different sections, different headings, and some other definitions that you might want to use in your LaTeX document. So with this, we will close for today. In next class, we will discuss more about the syntax of commands that will be used in LaTeX. Thank you.